Alright, well, I think I've tried everything. Snake oil, neglect, abuse, more snake oil, a little more neglect, maybe a little bit more abuse, pretending like it's not happening, doing nothing at all. It's true. Gotta do the damn carbs again. Fuck. First things first, to make sure we don't die of electrocution, should probably pull the battery cable. There's plenty of other ways we could die doing this. But, you know, let's try to minimize them. Yep, good. I left it off the last time I wrote it. Don't ask me why. Next thing we do is wonder where I put the keys to the seat. Found them. Let's see. Gotta pull the seat off. Here's a garage tip for all you DIY folks out there. If you ever have to take your tank off, like for my bike, you definitely gotta take the tank off to get to those carbs. Fuck, why did I fucking put the 4 on the wrong fucking side? We'll get to that. If you ever have to get your tank off, make sure you don't fill it with gas when you're coming home to work on it. Don't do it. Let's see if I actually remembered my advice this time. So fucking heavy. 5 gallons of gas weighs like 35 pounds. Come on. Don't be an idiot. Alrighty. Let's fucking go, Mr. Moto. Show me what you got. Oh. Fuck. No cuts yet. There we go. Put those somewhere where I'll lose them. Oh, empty tank. Hell yeah. Hooray, my favorite part. Getting the gas hoses off while trying to prop up the tank and not cut my fingers on this sharp metal right here. Hooray! I was just about done. Okay, I got the clutch cable off. I got the throttle cable detached. Got the choke cable off. I was just starting to take these off of the plenum when I remembered that these bowls are still probably full of gas. Oh, fuck. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is take it outside, let it run for a little while, get some heat into it, run the thing out of gas, well, as much gas as it'll run out of, and then finish taking the carbs off. It would have been a really good idea to do that before I detach the throttle cable, because now I gotta get that little flappy thing back onto this springy thing. There we go. Yeah, onto this cable. Don't mind the bend. It's never been a problem. I love motorcycles. I love working on them. I love riding them. I love everything about them. What's not to love? I love this. Okay. Let's see. Thread this needle. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Come on. Oh. I love motorcycles. I love them. I love working on them. I love everything about them. Especially love how hard getting my big American hands these tight Japanese holes. Oh. Oh. Nope. Nope. Oh, fuck. Come on. Oh. 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 Hell yeah. Okay, wait, hang on. Is it gonna come through? Oh, steady. Steady. Boom. Got it. All right. Let's see if Mr. Moto wants to start. Okay, here we go. Choke in, throttle off on run, and let's go. Oh. Give it a sec. All right, let's try again. Let's stick this in there for now. Yeah, that looks good. Block that vacuum leak. All right, let's try again. All right, will he give us any more? Oh, I think that's all he's got for now. Just spent the last bit getting these things out there. This is my least favorite part of doing the carbs, or just getting the carbs off, but really just the carbs in general. Is trying to get this lip here, which has to sit in here. In the way of my light, there we go. That has to sit in here, while also this part of the gasket here, focus, come on, there we go, has to go up on this lip right here. It's really fun. And you try and get this plenum out of the way, it just doesn't really want to go back. I mean, there's a little play in there, a little play up here, but it's a pain in the ass. Who am I kidding? But I was feeling around and I think I found at least, well, the main problem. I'm sure there's a bunch of them, but I found the one that's causing the most trouble. Once I get this off the, I guess, I don't know, the boots. Once I get it off the intake boots here, I'll show you. Maybe I'll actually have it fixed this time and I won't have to do it again. Yeah, right. Okay, Mr. Moto. Gibby dem curbs. Oh. Feels like I just finished the Atkins diet, or keto, or whatever. Tight like prom night. Oh, fuck. One more clip. Steady, steady. Free. I was feeling around earlier and I found this. So you can see that jet needle, or yeah, that's the jet needle. Looks good. This jet needle looks good. Oh. Uh-oh. Well, that probably explains why I was having shit throttle response, but it was idling okay. And that jet needle's fine. This has happened to me before. I don't know exactly what happens, but yeah, I don't know. I just gotta make sure it's really in there. I wish there was a metal clip or something. It's a piece of plastic. I'll show you guys later, but yeah. It's definitely not the greatest. We got them off. They're looking okay outside of that. But that's all externally. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they're not that dirty. Hopefully it's just that drop jet needle And yeah, it'll be an easy fix. I'm going to clean them anyways. I mean, I already got them off, and you have to take them all the way down to fix that. And there's a bunch of other problems that we could go into too. The vacuum diaphragms that these Yamaha boys are known for that go under here, the rubber vacuum diaphragms. I think either this one or this one is a little bit dried out and crusty and might be leaking vacuum. It's probably leaking vacuum. We'll check all the jets. We'll just make sure everything, you know, you can see light through everything. If I can, I'd rather not split the entire carb rack off. It sucks to get it all back together, but I mean, this whole process sucks anyways. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe for you guys, they'll actually do the job right instead of half-assing it, only buying half the parts, doing only maybe half the job with the half of the parts that I have, and starting over again. Yeah. It's looking okay outside of that. I don't know. We'll get a closer look here and when we take it down to the other shop. Oh yeah, I'm also going to replace all the hardware this time. These JIS screws are dangerous, and I've stripped the heads on a couple of them, and I just prefer the hex heads. They're cheap, it's easy, nice upgrade. I'll show you more about that later. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and I better drain the rest of the gas out of these before I forget and just pour gas all over my hands, all over everything, all over my trunk, all over my car. Yeah. Don't forget to drain the gas from the balls.